Suspected killer arrested in South Carolina is back in Pittsburgh to face a homicide charge. Matthew Darby is accused of killing his ex-girlfriend inside her apartment in Oakland. Bob Allen spoke with his attorney.
21-year-old Matthew Darby is in the Allegheny County Jail, ready to face charges including murder and rape. This morning, Darby was extradited from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, where he was charged with loitering and false information. Police there discovered he was wanted for murder in Pittsburgh. Authorities believe he fled out of state shortly after 20-year-old Elena Shayette, a University of Pittsburgh student, was found murdered in her off-campus apartment. Attorney David Schrager is anxious to speak with his client.
What is important is that I get to go see him and begin to hear his side of the story and formulate the appropriate defense based on that.
Before the murder, police say Darby broke into Shayette's apartment. He was arrested with criminal trespassing. Shayette took out a protection from abuse order against him before she was murdered. Police later charged Darby with criminal homicide after he was seen on video surveillance discarding the suspected murder weapons in a sewer grate blocks from Shayette's home.
I've been able to speak with him on the phone briefly, and obviously he sounded very depressed and despondent, and didn't sound like the young man that I had spoken to in the past.
Darby is also accused in 2 rape cases. Attorney Schrager was representing him in a rape case in Indiana County when he was charged with raping another woman in Elizabeth Township. Now that he's back in jail, Matthew Darby could be making his first court appearance as early as next week, when he goes before Judge Jeffrey Manning in a bond hearing. Bob Allen, KDKA-TV News.